Regulators aren't necessarily looking for perfect compliance to the guidelines. If you can show with decent rationales and explanations that you understand the spirit of the guidelines and that your design is written in this spirit, then they will often play ball and allow your way of working. Considering that you've done your homework on the pharmacology and done a proper risk assessment. Most important thing is that you don't make it too difficult for them to find this logic. Don't let them guess for things. Be transparent, and this will definitely pay off in the future. Probably underused. Adaptive trial design is a very powerful tool in early phase development. Just the concept of being able to adapt your study conduct during the trial based on evolving data is very efficient to gather relevant data. It's definitely not a magic fix for indecision. You need clear boundaries, control mechanisms, and you need a hell of a medical writer to pull it off. We try to implement adaptive language as much as we can, just to make sure that sponsors don't get stuck in a protocol that's too rigid and to avoid substantial amendments along the way, making it more efficient. Probably earlier than most think. We do take meetings with companies that are still very early in the phase. They have their basic pharmacology down and still looking for funding. And we can help them in developing their drug development plan and really working towards the setup of the human trials. In other cases, they come to us before start of protocol development. So that's a bit shorter. And then you basically just back calculate from your study start, but it heavily depends on the complexity of your trial, basically. But in general, I'd say the earlier the better. It can't hurt to do an introductory early meeting with us, and then we can follow up on your development progress and jump in at the right time when you need our services.